What's up guys, I'm Zane and today I'm going to show you how to rearrange channels on YouTube TV. Now first thing you should do is to open your YouTube TV on your browser, on your PC. Then what you're going to do is to click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then you are going to choose settings. After choosing the settings option, it will show you this page right here. Now you have to go and click on live guide. After choosing live guide, it will show this page right here. You can click on these two bars beside the channel name and start to drag the channel wherever you want, or you can simply click on this arrow on the right side, and by this way your channel will get to the top. And now to see the changes that you have done, you can now open the YouTube TV on your TV. Then here, as you can see, you'll have to scroll down from the home page, and here you will find these three lines on the left side. Just click on it. Then here you will see some options. Click on the custom option in order to see your new rearrangement. And if you already choose custom, just try to use it again in order to refresh the page, and you will see the new arrangement that you have done. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.